So hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime using balloons. I'm trying this for the first time and it's really not easy to get the ingredients into this balloon. So let's get started. I'm going to take something to open, and first we're going to take some glue. I'm going to make a mini slime. Okay, so let's do this. I'm really scared. I don't know what to do. Oh, not messy. Actually, it is kind of messy. Like, it didn't go that far. So next, I know this is fluffy slime, but still I'm going to add some water to it. Water. Next we have some shaving foam. I'm really scared. Oh my, I'm really scared to do this. My hands are a mess. Oh my. From where did I just get that purple thing on my hands? So I just cleaned my scissors after adding the shaving foam. So next off we're going to be adding some lotion. So let's do it. Come on. Ew. That's so messy. My hands are covered in the lotion and they're like bits of... Totally onto my hand right now. It doesn't even look green. Actually, that was the color it was supposed to be. But okay, let's go on ahead. Now we can't add any paint. Actually, the color was mixed in the glue. So next we have our activator. So wet, it's a little wet. So we have borax. So now I'm gonna be adding this. That even went on my face actually. So it's coming together. So now we're going to keep it. You can see this. Oh. And it will start to form a slime. I can just keep seeing. If you think the borax is not enough, you could have added more in the balloon, but I guess I added a little less. Now I can't do anything for that. So now this is a finished slime that we made out of the balloon. It's not a really big batch like a... So I'm going to be adding some... Actually I've finished all my balloons and I wasted so many of my balloons that I actually have no more balloons to put the powder in. And I also wanted to do this video today only. So we're going to be adding the powder. I guess I shouldn't have added the water. Oh, not the best consistency. Now let's pour it. It's like a slime spill, but okay. It's actually proper slime. So I'm going to be pouring this out. Now we have a really sticky slime. So I guess I'll just have to add More borax. So way too sticky. I thought this slime was supposed to be mini slime, but it doesn't look like it's mini. It looks like big slime. It's like jiggly. So good. It's like jiggly fluffy slime. Not really fluffy, but jiggly. Really spready because of the water and lotions. Really, it has a really good texture. Let me add more borax. Oh, I guess it's going out of the frame. Get it back in the frame. Show you guys. Nice consistency. It's gonna take a while too. Let's get into this. So now I'm gonna pour the whole borax. That's something crazy to do, but so I have to do this even if it gets overactivated. I don't want it to be sticky. I really want to complete this fast. Now it's a really amazing slime. I'm gonna take this off my hands. Only this hand is sticking. So see, it's taking it back. All fit. Yeah. So I hope you liked my video. Subscribe and hit the like. Hit the like button. And so bye bye. Ow.